Mr. Bandyopadhyay, Senior Bandyopadhyay, Junior Bandyopadhyay is in front of me. Physically, he is present, but so far Senior Bandyopadhyay is present online. Allow the petitioner to participate as education PG candidate. As Mr. Bandyopadhyay was.
Since your lordship is saying, we will allow it, no problem.
Yes.
But how the candidate can be so careless?
This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Petitioner is a failed candidate for second SLST 11-12. What happened? He applied for subject education. Thereafter, he was also eligible for classes 9-10 for subject English.
Instead of the candidate are being permitted to participate in 9, 10, 11, 12, both the examinations.
My lord.
There is no bar.
My lord, that's what it is, my lord. He chose some instead of 9-10 from English, it was 8, 11, 12 and English. He is not eligible to appear as for English subject in 11. He immediately, my lord, went before the
to say whether the petitioner sat in on yesterday's examination.
He could not, my lord. 11-12 examination is on 14th.
Yes. Next.
What happened thereafter, my lord? He went to the office of the SSC and SSC told that no, his last application.
Where is your application? Online application, page 54.
My lord, there are three online applications. My last.
Where is your application?
Page 50, my lord. My lord, this is the last online application. My lord, what the SSC has done, my lord, there is also a notification of School Service Commission that the last application I consider. My lord, SSC had issued an admit card for the subject.
Just a minute.
Notification to place.
Is medium of vacancy applying for? Is Bengali. No. Then where is the discrepancy?
My lord, education. It is for the subject education.
Subject apply for education PG. Yeah.
My lord, this is my last application.
Yes.
Now, my lord, kindly come, my lord.
46.
46.
46. Yes.
My lord, kindly see
English PG.
This I have wrongly applied. It should have been for 9-10. My lord, thereafter
English PG you have applied for 9-10.
My lord, English PG for the subject English, instead of applying in classes 9-10, my lord, inadvertently in Cyber Cafe it was made 11-12. PG. But I am not eligible for English 11-12. My lord,
so you did not participate in the written test on 7th?
No, my lord.
Did not participate.
My lord, what SSC has done, my lord, they have issued an admit card.
So you are eligible for education PG.
Education PG 11.
Education now, where is the difficulty? You have applied for education PG. Now what SSC is saying?
SSC has issued an admit card for subject English 11.
That is not your subject.
Yes, my lord.
Your subject is education.
And my lord,
so why this was done? That instead of education, it was stated English
has been done in the Cyber Cafe, my lord. Instead of putting classes 9-10, it was done 11-12 and it was submitted. And my lord, kindly come to page 49.
So now you want to participate in as a candidate of education PG.
Education,
but the admit card has been issued stipulating English PG.
My lord, kindly come to page 49.
Mr. Bandyopadhyay, Senior Bandyopadhyay, Junior Bandyopadhyay is in front of me. Physically, he is present, but so far Senior Bandyopadhyay is present online. Allow the petitioner to participate as education PG candidate. As Mr. Bandyopadhyay was.
Since your lordship is saying, we will allow it, no problem.
Yes.
But how the candidate can be so careless?
Yes, that's true.
That's every time the blame is on the SSC. Now, how the candidate is so careless? First is 9 July 2025, education PG. 13 July 2005, education PG. In the meantime, 10 July 2005, English PG. He is relying upon a circular on 18th. 18th, when this application was made, that time 18th circular was not there.
But in the past, your commission was also very much careless.
No, no, I understand, but now it is not careless. We are trying to do it. Now, that's the reason exactly I am saying. Everyone blames us. Now, how the candidate is careless, that is has to be pointed out. We'll do, my lord. That's not the point.
Yes, because
That's
last
not the
occasion
point.
you also submitted
No,
in
no,
case
that's
of
it. We are very
other
accommodative.
candidates.
We'll do it very accommodative. But one thing has to be pointed out: they are very careless.
Yes, yes, yes.
If the person is so careless, how can he be teacher?
Your commission will mend them.
No. We cannot mend them. We are only for the conducting examination, nothing
Yes.
more than that. But we'll do it. We'll do it.
Yes,
So
yes.
we do not want to create any problem. If anybody is having any genuine problem, we will try to resolve it within the time.
Whereas your three application, one application is as page 50, education PG, which is to be taken care of or to be considered by this court. And apart from this education PG, where are two other applications?
Well, the application numbers and the candidate IDs are given in that tabular form if it helps, my lord.
So 13 July 2020 would be the last application. Is the last application.
Page 50.
But with your lordship's leave, may I?
Yes.
Give you a list.
Where is that recruitment notification, Mr. Dasgupta? Have you annexed it? Yes.
Page 15.
Yes. Where is the affidavit service you have filed? Now, she has indicated that there are three applications. Your last application is at page 50, which is dated. Where is the date mentioned in your application?
Last page is Sunday,
13 July. 13 July. 13 July. Yes. 13 July. And where you have annexed your previous application? No, applications. Previous
application, my lord. Page 42 and 46.
And 46.
42 and 46.
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. But in your first application, which is at page 42, you have right?
Yes, my lord. I have rightly applied for education, but then I wanted to apply for classes 9.
But based on your first application, already admit card was issued.
Second application, that is English, page 46.
So why you changed? After
I
42?
did not change. Inadvertently, my lord, it was told to me that I first applied for education 11.
No, page 42 is your first application, 9 July. Education PG. That is the correct subject.
Correct.
Then again another application was English PG. Why?
English PG, I wanted it for.
This is 17th August. This is 17th August.
I wanted it for classes 9, 10 months. I wanted it English for classes 9, 10. Inadvertently, it was done as 11.
No, not 17th. They come to page 44.
44.
Well, this application is of 10th July, the English.
Page 46.
46.
English PG.
Yes.
Then 47
46.
date is recorded 17th August.
This is printed, my lord, on 17th August. It is
Where
printed,
from you are getting the date? From page 46 and 47. You have indicated in your list.
My lord, it comes to page 48.
Application date, my lord, registration date, can you see page 46?
48, my lord, the date is
46.
10 July.
10 July.
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. Stop. Pursuant to recruitment notification dated 30th May 2025, being memo number 1092/7016/TSSC/ESTT/20225, petitioner is desirous to participate in the written examination which is part of the selection process for being appointed as assistant teacher in a government-aided secondary/higher secondary schools, comma, selection process has been initiated by the West Bengal Central School Service Commission in terms of the West Bengal, in terms of the West Bengal School Service Commission, within bracket, selection for appointment to the posts of assistant teachers for upper primary level of classes, within bracket, except work education and physical education, close bracket, comma, classes 9, 10 and classes 11, 12, close bracket, rules 2025. Page abe page 15. Petitioner altogether made 3 applications online for offering his candidature, but out of these 3 applications, 2 applications one application, out of these 3 applications, 1 application dated 10 July 2025 was submitted inadvertently, declaring the petitioner being an eligible candidate for participation in the written test as English within bracket PG candidate. Stop. Learned advocate representing the petitioner submits that considering the educational qualification of the petitioner, he needs to be treated as education within bracket PG candidate, within bracket PG candidate, for being appointed as an assistant teacher in education in higher secondary section of a government aided school. Stop. It is also submitted on behalf of the petitioner that 2 applications were made online pursuant to aforesaid recruitment notification dated 30 May 2025, declaring the petitioner or describing the petitioner as education PG candidate. Stop. It is submitted. Next paragraph. It is submitted that based on online application dated 10 July 2025, concerned authority of West Bengal Central School Service Commission has issued an admit card, which is at page 54 of the writ petition, whereby petitioner is declared or petitioner has been declared as English PG candidate, not education PG. Stop. Petitioner prays for direction which would permit him to participate in the ensuing written test scheduled on 14 July 2025 as education PG candidate, not English PG. Stop. In support of same, reliance is placed on 2 other applications made online within the prescribed within the prescribed period. Those are dated 9th July 2025 and 13 July 2025. Next paragraph. West Bengal Central School Service Commission West Bengal Central School Service Commission is represented by, who is for the state. West Bengal Central School Service Commission and state respondents are represented by learned advocates. Next paragraph. Mr. Kullan Bandopathy, senior advocate, appears on virtual mode, submits that how petitioner having requisite qualification for being appointed as assistant teacher in higher secondary section in education PG could submit application online describing himself as a fit candidate to be appointed as an assistant teacher of English PG. Stop. It is also submitted. Petitioner ought to have been submitted appropriate, the correct application indicating the subject where petitioner indicating the correct subject. Stop. It is also submitted that commission has not made any mistake in issuing admit card declaring petitioner as an English PG candidate based on online application dated 10 July 2025. Next paragraph. Considering submissions made on behalf of the parties, court directs, considering submissions made on behalf of the parties and taking note of the fact that that written examination is scheduled on 14 July 2025, concerned authority of West Bengal 14 September 2025, concerned authority of West Bengal Central School Service Commission is directed to treat the petitioner as education PG candidate, not English PG candidate, and issue a fresh admit card. Yes. And issue a fresh admit card by 11 September 2025. Stop. Next paragraph. Writ petition stands disposed of. Next paragraph. Without waiting, leave is granted to the learned advocate for the petitioner to communicate this order without waiting for server copy of the order. Stop.
Only one thing, page 54 may be withdrawn. 54 is the admit card for subject.
I have directed to issue fresh admit card. What remains? Urgent parties to act on the server copy of this order downloaded from the official website. Great. You communicate. You also communicate the commission. Yes.